Say goodbye to dated cleaning tools. Bore sticks are the perfect balance of simplicity and functionality. Patented designs replace the need for rods, jags, and patches with an engineered durable handle and a lint-free foam tip. This incredible multi-tool compresses in the bore, aggressively penetrating the deepest rifling. As a multi-tool, bore sticks are critical to maintaining vital parts of your firearm, such as magazines, wells, and chambers. After a quick rinse, this resilient tool is ready for use again with your favorite solvent or lubricant. Engineered with durable materials, bore sticks last almost forever. Check out Swab-its' newest products on swabits.com.